How to apply for your YouTube channel to be monetized. Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for your YouTube channel to be monetized with your AdSense application using a desktop or a laptop. By this time, you would already have a YouTube channel. Now, to start applying for your YouTube channel to be monetized, simply log in to your YouTube account using your Gmail email address and your password. Once you log in, on the upper right hand corner where you would see your profile icon or your channel icon, tap on it and it would show you this menu. All you need to do is select settings, the one in a red circle. Once you click on settings, it will bring you to the settings page. By default, it would show the account section, and if you scroll to the lower part, you would see your account and you would see view additional features. Go ahead, click on view additional features, and it would land you to the status and features page of your YouTube channel. From this page, you would see the monetization section, the second one right beside uploading. To start applying for your monetization, all you need to click on is the box or the word enable. Once you click that, it will bring you to the monetization page. Now, as you can see on this page, it's a 4-step process that you need to go through. So let's go through the steps for applying for monetization. So go ahead, click on start for step number 1. That will simply bring you to the YouTube Partner Programs terms. So go ahead, read the terms if you want to. I highly recommend that you do. Click on the box on the left hand side. There are 3 boxes that you need to check before the I agree button shows up. Once you've read the YouTube Partner Program terms, check all 3 boxes and click on I accept. It will now route you back to the monetization application page, and it will now bring you to the second step, which is to sign up for an AdSense account. When you click on the start button for step number 2, it will tell you that you will be redirected to AdSense. So you can link your existing AdSense account, or you can create a new one if you do not have one yet. Now, you can apply for an AdSense account under your name, and you can link multiple YouTube channels under the same AdSense account. So when you click on next, it will now redirect you to choose an account. So if you have multiple Gmail emails that is registered on your computer, just make sure to choose the correct Gmail email address associated with your YouTube channel. Once you select the correct account, again, it will now appear, or it will now show up your Google AdSense sign up page. Again, at the top part, it would show you your email address and your channel name. So again, double check the information. Make sure that you actually have the correct channel that you're applying for monetization and that you're applying for your Google AdSense account. Now, on the lower part of the page, you have to select a radio button for get more out of AdSense. You can choose either one. Of course, it's recommended that you choose yes, so AdSense or Google can send you customized help and performance suggestions. If you scroll down, you have to select a country. Of course, depending on your location, you might want to select the country where you're at right now. Now this information, you can edit this at a later time if you want to. Now once you select the country, it will display specific terms and conditions based on your country. For this one, since I'm from the Philippines, it actually displayed the terms and conditions in the local dialect or local language. Now on your part, you don't have to worry. As long as you select your country, it would actually display the terms and conditions in your specific language. Now, after reading through the terms and conditions, you have to check the box, yes, I have read and accept the agreement, and then click on Create Account. Now, once you click that, it will now bring you to your Google AdSense homepage. But before you proceed, it will ask you to enter detailed information. For example, the type of account, the very top one. By default, this is set to individual. You can change that by clicking on the pencil icon right beside the type of account. You have to enter your name and your address. Now, this is very important. You have to put in your legal name because this is the name that Google AdSense would use when Google AdSense sends money to you to basically pay you out. And of course, for the address, you also have to enter your complete address. The phone number is optional. Now, once you enter all the information, double check, triple check, make sure all the information is complete, accurate, and make sure they are spelled out correctly. After double checking the information, just click on Submit, and this would now route you back to the monetization page or application page on YouTube. And you will now be on step number 3, which is to set your monetization preferences. Just click on Start for step number 3. It will pop up a window wherein you can select your ad formats. You would have 3 checkboxes that you can uncheck, but by default, all 3 are actually checked. And I highly recommend that you make sure that all 3 are actually checked. Just click on Save on that pop-up window, and you will now be routed back to the application page for monetization, and you will now be on step number 4. Now, on step number 4, this is basically where you need to meet the YouTube metrics, which is the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for the previous 12 months. And that's it. That's all you need to do to apply for your YouTube channel to be monetized. Now, as soon as you meet the YouTube metrics requirements for the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, YouTube would automatically submit your account for review to be monetized. Of course, there will be terms and programs or policies for monetization under the YouTube Partner Program terms and, of course, under the community guidelines. Ideally, according to YouTube, your application for monetization will be processed within 1 month. But it can actually take longer depending on the volume of accounts they are reviewing or depending on the available resources that they have for monetization reviews. And that's it. That is how you can apply for your YouTube channel to be monetized. Now, I recommend that you actually do this as soon as you have created your PayPal account. Your YouTube account, I'm sorry. Once you have created your YouTube account and went through or that you've gone through this application process, the only thing you need to worry now is basically to gain your subscribers and gain those 4,000 watch hours. Now we will create separate videos on how you can start your YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers and also how you can gain from 0 watch hours to 4,000 watch hours. So subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification so that you will be notified once I release more self-help tutorials for your YouTube channel. Again, this is Coach Hans. Always remember that being the best is not an achievement, it's a lifestyle. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Have a good day.